Transport is two types: active transport, passive transport. What is active transport? Movement of molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration by breakdown or hydrolysis of ATP is called active transport. What is passive transport? Passive transport is movement of chemical substances from higher concentration to lower concentration until it reaches equilibrium is called passive transport. It mainly occurs in gaseous liquid solutions. For example, transport of oxygen from lungs to blood and carbon dioxide from blood to lungs. These are mainly divided into three types: simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and osmosis. We'll later discuss about active transport. First, let's discuss about simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and osmosis. What is simple diffusion? Simple diffusion means it is nothing but higher concentration to lower concentration from cell membrane. Okay. Then coming to facilitated diffusion. What is facilitated diffusion? It helps in diffusion of large molecules that are unable to penetrate to semi-permeable membrane through transport. If ఒకవేళ ఈ ఈ వాల్ నుంచి దీంట్లో నుంచి రాకపోవడం వల్ల it will take help of some transporters specific transporters or non-specific transporters. The macromolecules will take help of transporters like specific transporters or non-specific transporters. For example, specific transportersలో ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ హయ్యర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఉన్న దగ్గర ఒక షేప్ ఫామ్ అయ్యి ఈ మ్యాక్రోమాలిక్యూల్ ఇక్కడ అటాచ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ అటాచ్ అయిన తర్వాత దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, దెన్ ఇట్ చేంజెస్, ఈ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టర్ ఈ షేప్ చేంజ్ చేసి లోవర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ సైడ్ వచ్చి ఇక్కడ దీన్ని వదిలేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టర్ facilitated diffusion. And in non-specific transporter, what happens here? No binding, but it allows macromolecules go through it anamata. Then I'll explain you briefly. Listen. Now, specific transporter, facilitated diffusion. Solute binds to the specific transporter on the membrane side that has higher concentration, and transporter changes its shape and release into the lower concentration. Then ikkada non-specific transporter lo solute moves through a non-specific transporter from higher concentration to lower concentration. That's it. Now coming to osmosis. Osmosis is only occurs when